We back. Let's see what this is. Lacey. Lacey, shout out to you. What's it? Man, I know this bitch. I know she ain't got her mouth open, man. This dude got fucking dog food in his. Damn, what they got them dogs? I love pets like the next person, but damn, man, y'all gotta kill them, don't you?
Come check this.
Oh my god, this dude just poured dog food. He just poured dog food in her mouth, and she just went in and. We gotta revoke her black card, man. What is she on?
Come check this.
Oh my god. You see what I'm saying, man, bro? See, there's some people don't need social media, man. This is fucking buffoonery. Bro, she's literally putting dog food in her mouth.
Come check this. Come check this. Come check this.
Anything to go viral. Bro, this is disgusting. See what I mean, man? Anything to go viral, gang. It's like.
Check this. Come check this. Come check this. Come check this.
Bruh, and she letting the dog eat out of her mouth? I don't even want to see no more of this shit.
Come check this. Come check this.
Oh. And she let the other dog eat out of her mouth, too.
Come check this. Come check this. Come check this.
Trifling bitch. Man, that's one trifling heifer, man. Look. Bro, don't send me no bullshit like this, man. This is crazy. Bro, she was eating the dog food and then letting her dogs eat it out of her mouth. Ugh. Bro, if I was her husband, man, I would have got on down, bro. Ain't no way I'm staying with no chick like this. Bro, can you imagine what that house smell like with all them damn dogs? And then her nasty ass too? Everybody would have been kicked out the next day. Just think about it. Her family gotta see this shit. She that desperado to go viral. She out here eating dog food. She might as well eat dog shit too. She might as well just took it up a notch. You want to go viral? Let one of them dogs poop and then you eat it up. That's what type of time you on, man. That's a trifling heifer, man. Ugh. And the fact that she a queen, so I'm like, man. She can't have no normal friends. She can't. They wouldn't be able to look at her the same, man. I'm getting off that bitch, man. Hey, shout out to you, man, for sending this video, man, but that shit was disgusting. People will do anything to go viral, man. It's killing our society, man, because people just have no morals anymore. All they want to do is just whatever they think will get the views. Desperation. See, if they would get some motion, like I always preach, beforehand, it wouldn't be that much of a need for you. You could just do the shit in your own time. But she rather eat dog food. Shout out to you for sending this video.